Are you looking for ways to make a good first impression and come across as attractive too? We've compiled a list of traits that you can incorporate into your life that will guarantee a good first impression. Emotions. When daters first meet in person, they both try to present their best selves, which frequently involves showing emotion. Now, according to research, the way you react when a potential partner expresses negative emotions, however, can make you particularly alluring. Apparently, being responsive to a target's needs can heighten their sexual interest. There might, however, be gender differences. The researchers discovered that this phenomenon only applies to men and not to women. According to the study, men find responsive strangers more attractive because they are perceived as being more gender typically male or female. One of their studies specifically discovered that men perceived responsive women as more feminine, which increased their sexual attractiveness and perceived suitability for a committed relationship.